Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a video of Tronics. So now, the experiment we're going to do is experiment number 27, which is direction change indicator 1. Okay, so complete all wiring connections as indicated in the sequence. Switch on the main switch. Turn the variable resistor clockwise. All the way. Blue LED will light up brightly. Turn the variable resistor anti-clockwise all the way. Yellow LED will light up brightly instead. This principle can be used for indicating the change of the direction. For indicating the change of direction, for example, if it is a steering wheel, turning it to a different direction will cause a different LED to light up. So now, let's get on to the experiment. Okay, so our first wiring connection is going to be 79 to 51. So, 79 is here, the battery, and 51 is here. I think, let's see white wire. If it doesn't work, let's do green. Remember, all the white wires are in here. Let's go to the white ones out. 79 to 51. Oh man, it doesn't fit. Okay, let's just choose a green wire. So okay, so our next wiring connection is 52 to 39. So 52 is over here, and 39 is over 37. Oh, here. So we need the green wire because it might be the same size as this one, but I don't think it fits as a white wire. So what is it then? It is 52 to 39. Okay, so our next wiring connection is 39 to 37. So we need we don't know what we need, white wire. Okay, so our next wiring connection is 36 to 65. So 36 is here, and 65 is with the variable resistor. We need the green wire, I think. So the wiring connection is 36 to 65. Oh my god. I think we can fit this. Trust me, we will. See, I told you we can fit. Wait. Just make that a little more in if possible. Yeah, that's fine. Our next one is 64 to 76. So 64 is 64 here, and 76 is over here with the main switch. I think we need a green wire. Yeah, we do. I know I'm doing that by wobbling fans. Okay. So our next wiring connection is 77 to 78. You think so? It's just next number, 77. You think we need a white wire, but 77 is at the main switch and 78 is at the thingy, battery. So it won't fit properly. So we need a green wire. It's quite weird, if you see. Feeling it. Okay, so oh my god. This is not going in. Oh. Okay, I'll just take it. Oh my god. Just too much. Okay, finally. So, our last wiring connection is 63 to 38. 63 is here, and 38 is there. We need the green wire. Oh my god, what did I just do? Sorry if you don't like the mess and like that. Okay, I don't care. 63 to 38 is our last one. Okay, so as you can see, we've done all the wiring connections. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So when I turn the main switch on, the yellow LED will start lighting up. But then when I get the variable resistor all the way, when I slowly keep on getting the variable resistor up, the yellow LED gets lower in light and the blue LED gets higher in light. So you know what I mean, like how I read it in the start, and it said switch on the main switch, turn the variable resistor clockwise all the way, and the blue LED will light up brightly, and turn the variable resistor anti-clockwise all the way. Yellow LED will light up brightly instead. So if I turn it up all the way like that, this turns off and this turns back on. And then when I put the resistor all the way, you know, then this way. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it on. The yellow is on, yellow. So when I ging the yellow variable resistor, see, blue one's getting brighter and the yellow one's turning a bit off. And then when I do it again, the blue one turns off, the yellow one starts again. So it's like really good working. Yeah. So the main switch it connected to that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.